So hello guys, today I have made a very wonderful project. It is like RC car controlled via voice command through Bluetooth. So I'll show you a demonstration and then I will explain it. So for it I am using the Arduino Bluetooth control app, which the voice command I have settled. So first command is like forward. It will make the car move forward. Forward. Backward. Left. Right. Right. So this is the project. It can also be used as a RC car. I'll show you the RC car also. So for the RC car, I am using a different mobile app called as Arduino car. So it will help me to use it as a controller and it will control the car from it. So I'll show you the car control. So this is the project. In addition, the car has a range of kind of 100 meter to 150 meters. It has a wide range and it can be used in many things. In industry, it can be used in many things. So this is my project. Thank you very much.